Camacho is a 54-year-old car salesman who lives in Apopka, near Orlando, in Florida. Camacho, moreover, claims to enjoy being around the local wildlife. But after what the Floridian saw in the sewer that day, no one could blame him if he started thinking differently. It began with an everyday ritual for Camacho. He'd gone to the bottom of his driveway to check his mailbox. Suddenly, though, he detected a disturbance, but to say he heard it is only half true. You see, Camacho has since claimed that he felt the noise in his actual being just as much as he heard it that morning. In fact, in December 2016 he told the ABC affiliate local channel WFTV that he had initially thought what he was experiencing was an earthquake. Camacho explained. "I could feel it under my feet, the vibration, it was pretty loud, and it definitely got my attention." Camacho, then, realized that the rumbling noise was coming from somewhere close by, and he followed it to its source. Indeed, the brave man tracked the disturbance and discovered that it was emanating from a storm drain. Then, with blatant disregard for any lessons learned from horror movies, Camacho decided to have a look inside. On his hands and knees in the street, Camacho peered into the darkness and saw two bright yellow, predatory eyes glaring back at him. As his own eyes adjusted to the gloom of the storm drain interior, the car salesman then began to make out a sinister form. Unbelievably, Camacho had discovered a massive growling alligator nestled in the sewer. And the huge reptile then let out a heart-stopping hiss at the sight of the inquisitive man. Indeed, curiosity could well have killed the cat. Fortunately for Camacho, though, he was saved by the inner structure of the storm drain. You see, the gap was thankfully too narrow for the adult alligator to pass through. The thwarted monster, meanwhile, opened its fearsome mouth and hissed instead. "I guess it wanted to warn me to back off," Camacho recounted. Camacho activated the camera on his cell phone. He also later uploaded the video that he had shot that day to YouTube, and the footage swiftly attracted more than 500,000 views. But Camacho is far from the only person in Florida to have had an alligator sewer sighting. And the many encounters prove that Floridians have more to fear from gators in their sewers than they do from IT-style evil clowns.